All right, welcome to this video walkthrough of this pretty well located 2-bedroom right here in Cambridge on Mass Ave. Okay, so we have hardwood floors throughout. This is on the second floor. We have the bathroom directly to the left of the entrance of the apartment. Standing shower tub combo, sink, toilet, vanity. Across the ways from the bathroom is one of your bedrooms. We have a single window. All right, got a closet. Right next to the bathroom, we have a small little closet right there. Nice for a coat closet or something. Second bedroom. A decent amount larger than the other bedroom. This window actually faces the building right next door. We have some better views here, which is the rear of the building, a bit more light. Okay. And there is a closet right here. Good sized closet. And then into the open living room kitchen. We have a small little pantry right there, some shelves, breakfast counter. Please excuse the bags and everything. They're still doing some small repairs. Okay, so as you can see, lots of counter space, cabinets. There's a dishwasher, electric stove, more counter space. This is an egress. And an extra closet right here. There's laundry in the basement, and you're super close to all these great restaurants and cafes around the neighborhood. So contact Angel if you have any questions at all. Have a good one.